got Aquas. I'm gonna lose to Aquas. Shit. Okay, there's a beast. Okay, it's gonna go in the mid lane, so that's fine. I don't like facing against Aquas since my bird can't burst them since I don't have Kestrel or Kingfisher. Um, so ooh, that's a weird beast. Okay. Um, for sure this beast is gonna burst my plant, so I'm not too keen on using cards on my plant. So I'm just gonna skip. Let him kill this guy. Make my gerbil jump on this guy next turn. Bait his attack on my bird. So I'm gonna double backdoor next turn. So let's go. Okay, that's good. So this is 2 Ronins and a Venge Charge. Okay. So I think we got a gerbil. Nice. Okay, we're gonna jump on this guy. And we're also gonna jump on his backliner. So what we're gonna do is do this. We're gonna save 1 more energy. And second thought, let's do it backwards. So we want Aroma on our bird again, so that the attack of this Aqua will hit our bird. And if he's gonna skip, he's gonna die, I think. This is enough damage, 425. Okay, he did skip, but he's gonna waste lots of energy onto killing my bird. And if our bird dies, I think we're gonna redraw a gerbil here. We're gonna jump on him. So this gives us a chance. So he used 3 cards on his Aqua. He has Nemo left and I think a Piranha. Oh shit, okay. So I think I need to read what he's gonna do. So his best bet here would be to skip, right? Since I can't jump on him. But the thing is, if he's gonna skip, I'm gonna die. Since this is gonna draw lots of cards. So let's just hope the beast drew lots of cards this turn. We're gonna remove its last stand by using a card. Then we're gonna jump on this guy next turn. So I think he's gonna skip and burst me with the Aqua. Yeah. So it's good for him to use the cattail. He's gonna draw more cards for his Aqua. So what we're actually gonna do, we're gonna brick wall the hell out of our beast. So we're gonna go for the highest armor cards. That and hope he just 3 cards me. So 3 cards won't kill this beast. So let's hope for it. Yeah, that's 2 cards. So I'm gonna live, okay? And I think this is enough to kill this later. If I redraw the death mark. Okay, so even with 3 cards, I think I would have lived. But I would be dying to this plant. So that's good. So we're still not on that range to kill him, right? But the problem is, what if he does too serious? But let's try to risk it. But since I think I can just do this, then on the next turn, get another death mark and 1 more card. So we're gonna save both of these. So this is our highest damage combo when we're on lethal damage, which is 30% of our HP. So we're gonna put him low. Then he's gonna put us low too. Yeah, so if I skip, he would have gotten all of my energy. Now we have enough to kill him. So we're gonna go Death Mark and Sinister. Then this should be enough. Unless he uses 2 pumpkins. Oh, okay, I think this is enough. So that's 132. Great, okay. So let's see what rank we are right now. We're actually at 97, so that's top 100. Let's go.